Moving on to the next award. They are a leading robotic automation conglomerate. Ladies and gentlemen, let's take a look at their AV on the big screen.
A trusted global leader in robotics and automation solutions, Yaskawa Motoman has become synonymous with advanced technology and groundbreaking innovation. We push the boundaries of technology. Our broad range of experience in diverse industries enhances our to the production-ready, easy-to-use systems. Since 1915, Yaskawa Electric Corporation has demonstrated a passion for automation by developing specialized solutions to help customers increase efficiency, improve quality, boost productivity, and deliver outstanding return on investment. Delivering transformative results through revolutionary technologies for over a century, Yaskawa is a multi-billion-dollar global organization with more than 15,000 employees and an installed base of over 500,000 robots, 18 million servos, and 30 million inverter drives. With corporate headquarters in Kitakyushu, Japan, and offices in 29 countries, Yaskawa provides tailored solutions and unmatched support for leading companies worldwide. With our global leadership, commitment to innovation, inspired vision, and unmatched support, Yaskawa is an ideal partner to help organizations address their toughest challenges today and achieve enduring success in the future.
We request the presenters to kindly join us back at the spotlight spot. And the award goes to Yaskawa India Private Limited for manufacturing leadership in robotic automation solutions. The award is received by Mr. Ajay Gurjar, Director and COO of Yaskawa India Private Limited. A very, very warm welcome to you, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together as we welcome you. Wishing you a hearty congratulations, Mr. Gurjar. So how does it feel to receive this award?
Very good evening to one and all. And at the outset, I would like to thank to Divya Media Publications for hosting this second edition of Engineering Excellence Award. And it's really a great honor to receive this award from Divya Media on behalf of company, Yaskawa India Private Limited, which is the wholly owned subsidiary of Yaskawa Electric Corporation, Japan. And we are 107-year-old Japanese multinational company and world leader in drives and motion control product and industrial robot. And I would also like to thanks to all my colleagues for all their support, and I would like to dedicate this award to all of them. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Once again, wishing a hearty congratulations.